All right, y'all, check it out. This is Michael with Mad Mike's Customs. This is a YouTube short. Just wanted to kind of go down the body line, kind of show what we did just tonight, just with bare hands. As you can see, we got the body lines with the doors spot on. Amazing what you could do with a little time and effort. Came in here, got the molding spot on, door trim line spot on. Everything's perfect. You know, this wasn't a crash. We did have to replace some hood hinges later on, but that'll be later on down the road. Went ahead and got the body line as fine as we could. It's pretty damn fucking close, I'll tell you what. It's not that easy when you're working, getting these tight lines. But yeah, so we changed the front core support. Doing this, you gotta take off the top bolts, both sides of the fenders. I'll show you. Pop the hood. Right here, take them out. 1, 2, come down, 3, right, driver's side, 4, and not but least 5 in the back. That one, that's the hard one. 6, 7 will be right here. When you open the door, you have to go inside, and then on the bottom there'll be one as well. So you got about 9 screws total. Only around 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. So with the 8 screws, you go ahead and well, if you really want me to be honest, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws for the front core support. And if you're pulling this fender off, which is what I had to change as well, was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. 9 total for the job you guys are seeing me do. This is an LS swap. You know what I mean? Believe it's a 5.2. I could be wrong, could be a 6.0. I'd have to ask my buddy and let you guys tell me in the comments. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let's say we start a fire on the internet. But yeah, it's an LS swap K1500. It's a short bed, Stepside, and it's got the Texas edition wheels on it. Just kind of wanted to go over the car, guys. Beautiful car. Sorry, we gotta hide the plates. Clean bumpers though. Beautiful vehicle. But yeah, you can see the body lines are pretty much spot on. Put coolant in it, full concentrated. We'll be putting a full thing of water in the reservoir and letting it mix, letting gravity do its job. Gotta locate the radiator cap. Couldn't seem to find that. The grill is right here in the back, ready to go with the trimming. The bumper is right here. Unfortunately, I couldn't find some brackets and things like that. So we'll be doing this bumper later. The vehicle is locked and I believe the brackets are inside. Nonetheless, when I pulled the core support out, I had to pull the radiator out. There's these brackets, they're 10mm bolts. Also as well, there's these brackets, 10mm bolts. Both sides, they're plastic, be careful. And then on the radiator, I needed wrenches. So make sure you have wrenches. I had to pull these 2 transmission lines. One down there. Had to get that coolant clamp, one right here, and these 2 coolant hoses. As you can see, it's full of concentrated fluid and it's topped to the fullest of the radiator. So we'll go ahead and close the cap and then let that cycle through. And then for the reservoir, we're gonna be putting water in it, a full one of these, and then letting gravity cycle through it so we can mix it right. I do my own mixes on purpose. And then the wire harness as well. You have a ground that comes over here. And yeah, you pull that ground and it bolts up to the side, and then you slide the harness out. There's an airbag sensor. Disconnect your battery, pull the airbag sensor, slide it through. It comes through this neat little hole, and then in here you have your battery tray, and under that is your washer tank. So you have to pull all that out. And then also your hood hinge. This will come out 2 13mm bolts, and you have some 10mm bolts. You have your oil cooler brackets, 10mm bolts. So just be aware, you know, have a set of sockets on you. Make sure you get your horn. Don't forget it. Make sure you get your alignment set. But yeah, this thing's so perfect that when I drop it, it shuts. Oh, and now she's locked. So that'll be the end of the day for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. You see my body lines, fucking fabulous. You see on the back, we're gonna get the mount. We'll work on that tomorrow. But for here, you can see the body lines are fabulous to the door and everything. So this is the hood and the hinge. We need to straighten out. I was able to straighten this hood and fender, and this hood and fender, and the back all center. So it's just that corner. We'll fix it tomorrow. We'll get the grill on. We'll get the headlights and everything bolted up. Sorry guys, a little sweaty. This is Mad Mike's Customs. We're out here. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And yeah, shout out to my buddy Eric over here at Razor Shark. Check him out, Yorkville, Illinois. Let him know Mad Mike sent you. All right, y'all. Have a good day.